Finally guys, this is the best Kinemaster mode version I have ever used, and finally I got this Kinemaster. After that my previous Kinemaster version was literally not working, like it was asking for update, and now this Kinemaster is without any problem, like there is no an export problem and video playing problem, and even you can install without any problem. You can directly download it from my blog site. Just read that blog and scroll down to the end, and you will see the Kinemaster logo. Then you should click that and your download will be start as soon as possible. And I can't show the full process because YouTube community guidelines can take down this my video. So guys, look at this feature of Kinemaster and you can download without any problem. I hope this Kinemaster will work for you. Okay guys, enjoy this music.
Find you. I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying. Would you?